Can you work from a cruise ship balcony? Coming to you from the balcony of the Emerald Princess. Brought my laptop out, and we do have the internet package on board, and I want to show you how to log in to the ship internet. It's called Medallion Net. Once you're on board, there is a free access that you can use that provides limited abilities on the ship, but if you want to do streaming from your laptop, if you want true internet, then you need to buy a Medallion Net Voyage package, and we have bought the package. We have one device that can be connected, and Bob and I are sharing it, so sometimes I'll log in, sometimes he'll log in. Once you get to the loading page, you will see it load here and connect me to the internet, and then I'll click browse the internet. But what I want to show you is the speed so that you can get an idea if this will work for you, knowing what you need to. And so I'll pull up a typical video. Hey, look, it's one of ours. So you can see that videos will play.
And across the top will be all your icons that you work with. And you'll notice at the bottom.
Okay, next we're going to run a speed test. Give you an idea of the speed you can expect. Awesome. Now, I'm going to say that's pretty good, but it's not always consistent. So just keep that in mind. And of course, your results may vary. It's what we use for phone calls. We have used Google Voice on our computers most often. Part of the reason is that 1-800 numbers you really can't dial from worldwide, but you can using your Google Voice. So for instance, we are able to make a phone call.
Ahoy, sailor. You've reached Virgin Voyages. Just so we can be sure we're always sailing in the right direction, there's a chance we'll record this call. Our Sailor Services crew will jump on the line shortly.
So anyways, that's how we use Google Voice to make outgoing calls, especially for 1-800 numbers, and we are able to receive on those as well. So if we're traveling, we will make sure we have our Google Voice going and our phones forwarded to our Google Voice account. So what do you think? Can you work from sea? Have you tried it? Let us know your results in the comments below. We look forward to chatting with you about it.